How to hide multiple columns in Excel. Hello everyone, welcome to Excel 10 tutorial. In this quick Excel tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can hide multiple columns in Excel. I will explain 4 different ways here. You can hide several columns at once using these 4 techniques, and I will also show how you can hide several columns which are adjacent to each other. Also, several columns that are not connected or adjacent to each other. Okay, let's get started. First, we need to select the columns we want to hide. Click on the column name and drag it. This will select multiple columns at once. You can see here column name A, B, C and D are highlighted. Okay, and these are selected columns, and now I want to hide them. First option is right click and click here hide from the context menu. It will be hidden. The second way will be select the range, that means select the entire column, and then under the home tab go to format, hide and unhide, then hide columns. Now once you have selected your column, I will be showing you a keyboard shortcut here which is Ctrl and 0. Remember, you cannot press 0 from the numeric keypad. Okay. Another keyboard shortcut will be Alt H O U C. Okay. Ctrl Z. Lastly, if you drag this here, you can see all these columns are hidden. Let me show you again. Hover your mouse at the end of your selected columns, and when the cursor turns into this icon, left click and drag it. This will resize the column and will hide all those selected columns. So these are the ways you can hide several columns at once in Microsoft Excel. Now what if you want to hide column A, C and E? Now they are not adjacent to each other, so you cannot select them in this way. So we are going to select all this column using a trick here. Press Ctrl on your keyboard and click on the column name. Now you can see first column is selected. Now press the Ctrl and click on column C. This will select the second column, and then pressing the Ctrl select the column E. Now these 3 columns are selected and they are not connected to each other. Column B and column D are not selected, that means they will not be hidden. Now you can hide these 3 columns or several columns using this technique. Hover your mouse at the column name and right click, and then you can click hide, or you can go to the home tab and from the format option you can go to hide and unhide, then hide columns. Or you can simply press the keyboard shortcut Ctrl 0, or you can press the keyboard shortcut Alt H O U C. So these are the techniques to hide several columns in Microsoft Excel at once. This is what I wanted to show you. Thank you. Thanks for watching. See you in the next tutorial. If you can, please subscribe to the channel, and in the next tutorial, I will show you how you can unhide those multiple columns at once. Okay, thank you for watching.